To get started, we will first pair the product. This can be done using the V2C Cloud mobile application or the V2C Cloud web platform. First of all, to do this via the mobile app, you need to press the plus button to add a charger. Next, enter the ID number, which can be found on the device's sticker in the SN or serial number section. The charger ID is a random 6-character alphanumeric code. You can also pair the device by scanning the QR code and clicking on the camera icon. An internet connection is required to pair up for the first time. If there is no coverage, make a note of the number and go to a place where there is a coverage and a stable internet connection. Once registered, the charger cannot be matched by anyone else, unless it's deleted. If the charger is not registered to any device and the identification number is public, it can be registered by a third party without the owner's consent. To pair the e-charger via the web, connect to the V2C Cloud platform, then click on the Add an e-charger button. Enter the charger identification number.